Hi, my name is Brad. I'm the manager of Certified Power Systems in the heart of Salem. We're right attached to the old Kmart, right across from the Salem Airport. We offer fleet, military, and senior discounts, and we'd love to have you come by and see how we can help you. Every vehicle that we repair goes out on the road to make sure that what we did is taken care of. So we're a full-service, light to medium-duty diesel and automotive repair shop. We have plenty of aftermarket products, so why don't you give us a call at 503-362-6763.